dear friends, this video I'd like to share with you how to make the close and plastic finish zipper with the edge button store and the top store injection. Okay, so in fact it's very simple. You just need 4 sets process. First, you need one gapping machine to make the gap. Of course, if you made the gap from the teeth injection machine already, then no need to make the gap here. But normally, customer will do the long chain and stock in their warehouse. When they get the customer's lens order with different lengths, they can do it directly. So gapping and the slider mounting, and then the bottom stock with top stock injection. And the fourth step is cutting. So for the bottom store and the top store shaper, we have many models for your reference. Okay, this is our QLQ zipper and slider catalog. Page 22, you can see this details, the shape, different shape from our catalog. And this is our QLQ machine catalog. So in here you can see all the machines about the long chain and the finish zipper machines. Okay, so let's continue from here. We can see the raw material. You need a slider and the POM raw material to make the POM is to make the bottom stock and the top stock. Okay, for the teeth also use the POM. It's more strong. Have another material which is to make the metallic plastic zipper. Okay, but if for the standard one, for example the overcoat, I'm guessing is used the POM also. POM is more strong. Okay, and then we can see in this photo you can see for injection machine not only just one model, because we have the semi-auto and we also have the manual model. For the cutting, we have the machine with the label hand, machine with the ultrasonical and the label hand, or the semi-auto. For the details, you are welcome to visit our website to check the details. Okay, and we also have the leaflet for every set machine. For example, this is the gapping machine. In here, you can see the machine details about the machine weight, machine size, and the power and the advantagement for this machine and the consumption parts for this machine. And we also have the videos for every set machine.
The output is 3,000 pieces per hour. This is the gapping mold. You can see the zipper goes through the heel and go into gapping. This part is used to clean the teeth. And then you can see the zipper cleans very well. The output is 3,500 pieces per hour. Okay, you can see the zipper goes through the heel and come in here, and the slider goes through the channel one by one and fits in here, and then the zipper go out here. Let's see the final result. The slider mounting is very well. The output is 4,000 pieces per hour. You can see the zipper go through the heel and cut in here. The brush will push the zipper coming here and come down here. You can see it's very well.
So my friend, you can see the video through YouTube, Facebook, or our QQ website to get more detailed information. Thank you so much for your interest. Thank you.